The following content in this video is only for educational purpose, not to harm any data or a live person or company.
Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all guys are doing absolutely well. So today in this video tutorial we'll see that how we can promote our t-shirt or mugs or any other designs what we use to promote via pod business. So I hope you will like this video, so make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and join our Facebook group Premium Share to get daily updates related to digital marketing and other stuffs. So at first, let's start our video. So at first you have to visit your Facebook and then create a page related to your product what you are going to promote. So create a business page here, not to go for community page. You can just create a business page like this. So I have already created a business page like what I'm going to promote, and you can see on the left side here's option for a shop. So you can see, if I scroll down, you'll see that there are some product I have already added, and you can see there the product price I also include. Now let's open a product. So after I open a product, you can see here's the product title and the option for checkout. So if people come here and select any of your product and just click, they will directly come to your website where you are selling those designs t-shirts. So that's a pretty easy way to promote your product via Facebook page, and it's you can just upload here product details and other stuffs. So let's see how we can do this. For doing this, you have to visit the page called business.facebook.com/commerce manager with logging in your ID. Now you have to create here a shop. So simply click on add shop, and after clicking on add shop you will see the options for adding page here. Now you can see it's start with the first step. So here you have to click on next, and here you will get three options: check out with another website, check out with Facebook or Instagram, or check out with message. So as you are promoting other website products, so you can just simply go with check out with another website, and here you have to select your desired page what you are using to promote. As I have already selected that page, now I'm gonna leave that as it is. Now just go back here, and after you add your page, it will look like this. So you can just click on here and you will see in your business manager. So for the first time it will show you some instruction to start with. Now you can see on the left side there it will show you items, sets, issues, data source, extra. Now here you have to upload your items, I mean your product what you are going to promote. So for this you have to click on items on left side, and then you have to look for the right corner there. Here you can see the add item option, so just click on here the blue button, and now you can add here manually, or you can just bulk upload here, but I'm going to do with manually, not to mixing up on bulk upload. Now as you see this dashboard here, I have to upload some of my product image what I'm going to promote. So it's a store where I have some designs of products. So just simply go for any product and save their primary image what you want to use for. So after you save your image, now it will ask you to add more image. You can add more image, but it's up to you. So whenever you save any image, let's try to add at least 4 or 5 more items to add with that same product. So as you can see, there are some options here where in Teespring we can use same design with different products. So all we can do, just upload all those designs in our product page. So here I'm going to just save all those image here, and then not all, here I'm going to just save 4 or 5 images, and here you can just upload one by one each photos here. So for title option here, I can just go with the default title what in the product page of the main website, but for going to do some on page SEO, you can go with keywords here in description, and for the website link you have to upload the product link of Teespring. So here in website you have to upload the product link, and for the price, here's a trick. You can just set your Teespring campaign for 1 day and continuously, and you have to mark this as sale item, and after you mark this you have to set the price for double what the original price and make it new. So let's do the same thing and go next and the next, and here you can add variants like color, size, materials, height, length, etc. So for the first time here I am going to leave all this option, but it's up to you. One by one you can add all the different things to make it more professional. And okay, so okay, again I had to click on the on this as it is just got some error. Now I published that product here. You can see that it is published. I got a notification, and you can just close, and in all product I can see here's my product what I just upload. You can see the variant here, the other options. If you upload more details it will look more professional, so try to upload more details here. So whenever you visitor come to your page, they will see different type of models in your product section. So this way you can promote your product. And the other way what you can use to promote, just go to your Facebook page homepage, and you can see on the left side there is an option for marketplace, and after you come to your marketplace, set the location here where you want to promote your t-shirt or any products. So let's try with Australia, and you can just select here any cities or states what you want to go with. Here I am going to here I am going for Sydney, and now click on start selling. Here you have to type the product name what it's required, and you can set the price and the category. If you select on the category, you will see a lot of options. So as we are promoting t-shirt for women, we can see just this option, and you can set it as the last product or you have in stock, and upload 2-3 product image and the price. And after all those things you have to just click on publish or next. And if Facebook will review that product for 30 to 50 minutes or 1 hour, and they will publish it to the location what you selected. So this way you can promote in Facebook your products free. Now this is just a free way. In next video I'm going to focus on the paid method what you can use to promote your products in Facebook, the Facebook ads what we can use. Okay, another thing here to mention that you can just join up to those groups what your product your niche related, so that after you published any product in marketplace, you can also publish that product with a single click in those groups without getting banned. So this is an amazing tool to promote your product for free. And as I mentioned that here you can see that congratulations, your product is published and they are going to review it. And this is just a free way. And in next video I will show you another method what you can use to promote your product on paid ads. So okay, so that's all for today. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video soon.
With